Welcome to Soul Bloom Meditation.
Good morning, beautiful soul. Welcome to your day.
Let's take a moment, just for you. Find a comfy spot. Sit down or lie down if you like. Close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop. Let your body settle. Let's breathe together. Take a nice deep breath in. Hold it for a sec. And let it all go. One more. Breathe in through your nose. Feel your chest rise. And breathe out through your mouth. Let everything soften. Last one. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. Let it go. Now just breathe naturally. Nothing to do. Nowhere to be. Feel your body resting. Feel the earth underneath you, holding you. You're safe here. Let's check in with your body for a sec. Start at the top of your head. Let your forehead soften. Unclench your jaw. Let your shoulders relax. Feel this gentle warmth, like a soft golden light, moving slowly down through your body. Down your neck, through your chest, into your arms and fingers. Down your spine, into your belly, your hips, legs, and feet. Everything's softening. Everything's coming back into balance. You're doing great. Let's move into some affirmations now. You can say them in your head or out loud if that feels good. Here we go. I am grounded. I've got this. I welcome today with an open heart. My energy is calm and clear. I trust myself. I'm letting go of what I don't need. I am worthy. I am strong. I am ready for what this day brings. Let those words sink in. Feel them in your body. Now take a moment and picture your day. See yourself moving through it with calm, with confidence, with ease. Maybe you're having great conversations, knocking out your to-do list, or just being really present. Whatever your vision is, see it clearly. It's already in motion. Take one more deep breath in. Let it out slowly. Start to bring some movement back. Wiggle your fingers. Maybe stretch a little. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You're here. You're centered, and you're ready. Go take on the day with heart, with power, and with love. See you tomorrow. Be well.